Welcome to TradeXN. Today we will show you how to make a withdrawal. The first step is to click or hover over the profile icon on the top right side of the platform. You will then see an option in the drop-down menu for withdrawal. Clicking that will open a window that shows a variety of cryptocurrency options that are available, as well as an internal transfer option if transferring between your XN accounts. In this example, we will select Bitcoin. In this box, we can enter our wallet address that we would like to withdraw the funds to, as well as the amount in USD that we would like to withdraw. Below there, we can see the approximate amount of cryptocurrency that you will receive based on the price at the time of processing. Then simply click Withdraw. Withdrawals are generally processed within 24 hours. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at support@tradexn.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible. To learn more and to try our platform with a free demo account, head over to tradexn.com.